Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take GNC weight gainer. First, understand your personal calorie needs to ensure effective weight gain. Next, select a GNC weight gainer product that aligns with your specific fitness goals. It's crucial to always read the product label carefully for precise serving size instructions and any special preparation notes. This ensures you're using the supplement correctly and safely. To prepare your shake, mix one recommended serving with 16 to 20 ounces of water or milk. For the best results and a smooth, lump-free consistency, use a shaker bottle or a blender. Timing is key. Consume your weight gainer shake either between your main meals to boost calorie intake or immediately after your workouts to aid muscle recovery and growth. For optimal results, it's vital to take your weight gainer consistently every single day, even on non-training days. Remember, this supplement works best when integrated with a balanced diet rich in whole, nutritious foods. Don't rely solely on the gainer. Ensure you're also getting sufficient protein intake from various food sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes to support muscle development. Staying well hydrated is crucial when taking a weight gainer, so drink ample water throughout the day. Proper storage also extends product freshness. Keep your weight gainer in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking to streamline your healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.